Alright guys, I got a 2002 Lexus ES300 today, and it has a check engine and it's misfiring, and you can feel it in the steering, guys. And scanning the codes on this is giving me a whole bunch of codes. Alright, there's all the code, random, misfire. The problem here is, guys, see, it's telling me random, misfire, all these codes. Alright, so if you have all these codes and you don't know what to do here, the problem here is this little guy right here. Let me show you. VVT, alright? And then you got the VVT system fault bank 1, alright? The bank 1, I will tell you. If you have bank 2 similar, I will show you exactly which piece we're looking at. Alright? So the car does misfire and it goes pum pum pum, and you can feel it in the exhaust. The problem here is, if you go in front of the car, right in there, we have a solenoid, alright? You have one over here. This is bank 2 right here. And one all the way down there is for bank 1, alright? Let me touch it so you guys know. This little guy right here is for bank 1, alright? We're gonna replace that, and that should take care of the issue, guys. Alright? There's no way all your cylinders could be misfiring, alright? It's not possible. Alright, and it can, but the problem here is, because I scanned this car several times, that's the problem right there. Those solenoids, they always go, and you can fish them from right here, guys. The number 10 bolt right there, you take off, disconnect it, and it will come right up. Right, that little, the line right here, this pipe right here, you can just move it out of the way and it will come right up. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, guys. It's going to be very simple. Alright guys, to replace this little guy, I'm gonna put my camera right over here. I'm gonna attach it to that bar right there so it can look. Alright, so let me put my camera right here so you guys can see. From right over here, guys, I can see that number 10 right there looking at me. So all you do is you take your number 10 and we're gonna loosen this guy. Once it's loose, we should be able to remove that bolt. It's gonna be a long little solenoid, guys. All right, the bolt, I dropped it somewhere. Okay, I can see it right here. Don't lose the bolt, guys. Put it somewhere safe. And what I can do is put my hand in there. Just be careful, it's not hot. I'll disconnect this connector, and I can already feel the solenoid is wiggling around. Alright, so all you're gonna do is you're gonna move it around several times, and after that you should be able to pull this solenoid upward and out. Alright, and just move this pipe out of the way. If it's bothering you, and it is gonna bother you, and you should be able to manage this little guy straight upward. Alright, done so many of these on a Toyota Siennas, Lexus, all right, Avalons. Common problem. Usually when you change one and several weeks later the other one will act crazy. So there it is, guys, the VVT solenoid. All right, variable valve timing solenoid. I'll give you the part number once I receive the new piece, and we'll put them together and we'll match them. All right, for now I'll leave it right here, guys, and we'll wait for the new one. All right, guys, I got my pieces right here. I bought both of these solenoids. One is for bank 2, one is for bank 1. The guy couldn't tell me which one. He wasn't understanding me, the parts guy. But look at the part numbers, guys. Let's see which one is same as this. Only difference will be probably is this ear right here, because when it's over here it might be in a different angle, when it's over there it might be on a different angle. So let's put it right here so it doesn't fall, and let's pop this open. So this is the one, the part number is 917211. all right, that's the first one we're opening up. It's gonna be sealed in a pack. All right, so if you look at this, See, if I hold it, you see the ear? It's in a different angle. And to get the ear in the same angle, it would be in that direction. But look at the connector. It's totally on the opposite side. So this part number here is for bank 2, right? Which is closer to the radiator, right? So let me put this back in the box. All right, the guys that I buy parts from, they take it back from me. So here is the correct piece, all right? 917214 for bank 1, all right, guys? Let's take this open. Let's take out a little bag here. Let's move it. It comes with a little bolt. Awesome. All right. Let me rip the package open because we are not sending this back. All right, guys. And this thing has a little bit of lube on it. If you need to put some lube on it, put some oil right here on the seal. And look at that. You see the ear tip? Same direction. All right, guys. So this one has lube on it, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and put it in there, but I do need to move my camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. So what I'll do is I'll put my camera right here. It's not gonna be much to see, guys. Just fish it out just like I did. All I did was move this pipe out of the way a little bit, and I yanked it up. All right, guys, again, make sure you have some lube here. This one is pre-lubed. That's how they send it. And this valve works with oil. Guys, so a little bit of lube there. This valve, the way it works is it pushes oil through the valves here, so it opens and closes, and that's what changes the timing frame on the timing components. All right, guys, so I'll simply take this little guy down there. It's really clean, just don't drop anything in the hole. All right, so you don't need to clean much down there. All right, and this pipe is gonna bother you again, so let me just take my other hand, and once you drop it in there, guys, it should just go flush, and you should feel a little click of the seal go in. All right, and then sorry about the shadow, the new bolt that it comes with, and I'm sure you guys can manage it. If I can do it, you can do it, guys. And don't forget to put the connector, guys. If you don't put the connector, it's not gonna work properly. All right, so there we have it. And after that, do make sure you reset the oil, the check engine light. I'll be doing that last thing once I'm all done with everything. So just hand tight, gently, and bada bing, bada boom, we have it. We just replaced the VVT solenoid on this guy. If you're having a random misfire, that's what you're gonna replace, guys. And if you need to do the bank 2, it's right on this side, all right? It's right here. It's right here, pretty much right under this hose. All right, so now let me get my connector in there. Don't want to forget the connector. If I forget the connector, job is incomplete, all right? And make sure it clicks just like so, all right, guys? So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, just send me a message. So right down there, we have our valve all the way down there. And this one right here is for bank 2 right here. So if you need to change bank 2, just replace it. The part number on the bank 1 is 917214, right? And the one I showed you earlier was the other part, which is the bank 2 right here. All right, guys. So thank you, subscribe, bye-bye, and we will see you on the next one. All right, guys, just want to give you the last look. There's the solenoid that we changed of this Lexus ES300. All right, VVT solenoid. This can cause multiple misfire, random cylinder misfire. All right, so do replace this. All right, and again, the part number 917214, right? That's the part number. So anyways, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions about any type of repair, just send me a message. All right, so bye bye.